this is no face movement. I'm bringing warnings and watches for January the 6th to January the 10th, 2013. Warnings and watches for Earth and space weather. Alright, right now as I'm making this report, so I'm at February the 5th at 10 o'clock. Our breaking news, there's a 8.0 major earthquake on the tip of the Solomon Islands. I've been getting earthquakes all day from 6.0s to 5.0s to 7.0s in the past few days too, folks. Alright, the whole Pacific Basin is unease. Alright, let's get into space weather. I'm going to bring you more about that in 1 second. They're talking about 1667, AR 1667, said it just unreleased a C9 class solar flare that might have hurled a CMA towards Earth. Breaking news, it's an X class solar flare, folks. It's not a C9. Alright, I'm about to show you the proof right now, but before we get into that, let me put warnings and watches out. 1667 still could produce an X class solar flare at any time, and 1665. Alright, it's becoming more potent because of the gravitational force on the side of the sun that we're on. Alright, let me show you the pictures real fast. Alright, this is EVA X-ray. You see how really light that is? That's X-ray. This other stuff is M class, that's X-ray flares. Alright, this is all X. Anything that you see light like that is X. Alright, and that's AR 1667 that just hurled X-class solar flare actually towards Earth. Alright, let me show you the pictures again. Alright, so they're calling it a C9. Alright, let's look into it. This is 1667. I got warnings and watches for M to X-class solar flare. 1665. Alright, we also got a humongous coronal hole. The links are going to be at the bottom. You can read it. Alright, this is super big. I've never seen nothing as big as this coronal hole. Alright. And it's supposed to hit Earth between February the 7th and 8th. On top of right today, we just got hit by M-class solar flare from 1667 that I put in the video the other day. So warnings and watches still in effect for major earthquakes, major volcanoes, and superstorms. Alright? But this is going to be on top of that. So between February the 7th and 8th, trust me. Be prepared, folks. I got warnings and watches for earthquakes. Solar wind flowing from this coronal hole could brush against Earth's magnetic field on February 7th to 8th while we're having a whole bunch of impacts. Alright, folks, and we got two of them. They're just showing you one big one. We also got this one. Alright, same time period. And then we got one at the bottom of the sun. Alright, the Earth is turning, folks. Alright, we're about to see the central galactic plane. Alright, so I want everyone out there, be prepared and have bug out kits. More breaking news is Comet Lemon. It's super bright, and you all can see it in the southern hemisphere. Alright, and I'm going to call it a comet, but I won't forget about Nibiru, how you're only going to be able to see it from the southern hemisphere first. I'm going to have the links at the bottom. Alright, I'm still calling this a comet. I'm going to do some more research. And then we got a comet that's coming called Ison in November. Alright, so it's kind of weird that the southern hemisphere is seeing this with their naked eye. Alright, and the northern hemisphere is going to be able to see Ison with the naked eye. It's going to light up the sky, just like that is, but 15 times brighter than that. Alright, this thing's going to disappear. Maybe it's going to go behind the sun and come back around. Who knows this stuff? Alright,